Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Ranj and I hope you're all doing well. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you've been rocking with me for a minute, listen, thank you so much. So as the title suggests, I basically restored my leather seats and I thought it'd be a really good video to release to not only S3 owners but to all car owners if you've got leather seats. Leather's a funny one. If you don't look after it, it does wear, it can get greasy and it can look really crappy, but if you take care of it, leather looks absolutely amazing when you've got them. I use the Autoglym Ultimate Leather Care Kit. I don't know if it's called that, but I'll take you through the products anyway. So I hope this video is helpful to all of my subscribers, everyone who's new here. I think it's going to be helpful because my car, the interior hadn't been cleaned in ages. With the interior I used to always take care of, but you know, months and months passed, like I think half a year passed, I just did not hoover the inside of the car. The seats had got stains on them, the seats looked greasy, the steering wheel looked horrible, it just looked horrible, really greasy. It was really shiny and I prefer leather when it's got that matte kind of finish. But I can confidently say that with the products that I used, that my leather seats actually look brand new again. Not completely brand new, but they look really good for how old the car is and how, you know, often I drive it and whatnot. I also just cleaned the car in general, so cleaned up all the plastics, got the dust off the dashboard, and I also hoovered the carpets because really deep, disgusting mud stains in the carpets, fuel from my shoe kind of then obviously transferring onto the carpet, so I gave them a proper clean. I couldn't use a carpet cleaner, I had to use products, but again, I'll cover that all in the video. Let's just basically go into the before, and then obviously we'll go through the process, and hopefully then towards the end of the video you can see what it looks like after, and see whether it's worth it. This kit only cost me 20 quid and the link for this kit will be in the description box. Hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please do drop a like, drop a comment. So if you've got Instagram, Facebook or TikTok, please do follow me on my social media platforms too. I'm S3Ranj across them all on Facebook, Instagram and on TikTok, and they will be in the link in the description box as well. And subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon for future notification. Let's keep growing and let's just keep smashing it. Okay, so let me just show you the current state of the interior of my S3. It doesn't look too bad, but it is. So these are all really greasy. I don't know if you can see that, but there's loads of fingerprint marks on there. You've got dirt down here, so all the plastics are quite dirty. Here the rubber seal dirty. Again, dirt marks on the seats there. Obviously I've got these creases. Obviously this is my driver's seat, and obviously over time leather does wear, especially if you don't take care of it. So I'm hoping one of the things I can do today with the Autoglym leather kit is kind of, you know, restore some of this leather really and get it looking nice, flush and matte again. Down here the carpets are absolutely disgusting. I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of like these bits I'm on about there. So it's particular that little patch there, and then obviously I'll lift up the carpets, get the dirt there. It's not too bad there, but still nonetheless it does need a clean. I'll clean up the pedals and whatnot. So steering wheel, again, these little black plastic trims here in gloss black, they're relatively dirty. There's a lot of dirt trapped in there. I don't think I'm going to be able to get it absolutely, you know, perfect, just because I haven't really got all the tools that I need, but I should be able to get it somewhat clean. You can see it's relatively dusty there, so if I just, yeah, you can see where my fingers just left that kind of mark. But just in general, the steering wheel's really shiny and I want it to be that nice leather matte look, so I'm hoping the Autoglym products do that. Super dusty along here, super dusty. This is really dirty and dusty too. The passenger side carpet's not too bad, but the leather seat is. You've got a couple of stains. You've got a couple of stains here and there and stuff like that, so it's definitely in need of a really good clean. Again, the back, it shouldn't actually be that dirty, but it is. Especially here, you can see a lot of dust build up here, a lot of dirt just trapped in between there, like dust particles and whatnot. Rear partial shelf, I know that's just extremely dusty and there's a bit of dirt on there as well. And then the carpet, obviously dirty there, but look at all that, it's just horrible. I think at one point I found a spider web, which isn't great. Now look there, you can just see there, it's just there's loads of sign of, you know, the car's interior not being well looked after. I think I might remove this because I just find it really unpurposeful. Yeah, there's just, I mean, you can see there, it's really dirty. I need to, oh my god, living on the main road is the worst thing ever sometimes, but yeah, it's just super dirty. So at the start of the video I did say that I would take you through the products that I'm going to use. Now this is what the actual kit looks like, and it consists of 4 different things. So you've got the aqua dry cloth, you've got the polish applicator, and then you've got the leather cleaner, and you've got the leather balm. Okay, so let's remove these carpets first, just because they're absolutely disgusting inside. So that's looking a little bit better now. I've just basically cleaned under where the carpet would be. You've still got a lot of this dirt here, and I feel like there's dirt here, but that's quite deeper into the carpet. So what I might have to do is use some products to get that out, some like carpet cleaner or something. I do actually, if you've got an actual carpet cleaner, so like a Hoover, but it looks like a Hoover, but it's actually a carpet cleaner, I'd use that. I'm just gonna have to use a bit of a sponge and spray kind of methodology here to get those stains out, but let's keep going. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this Vanish Gold Carpet Care. Apparently it makes carpets look new, so I'll give it a little spray, especially where those like muddy areas are. So the carpet is looking much cleaner. I've managed to get those dirty mud stains out there. I think I applied too much of the product, to be fair. So if you are going to use a product and obviously just manually scrub it, be generous with the product, to be fair. Okay, nice and clean. Just basically use a carpet cleaner, a sponge, some bit of water, and obviously just hoovered it all up. You can see the current state of this seat. I mean, there's quite a lot of grease on there, and just in general it looks quite dirty. So I'm hoping to just basically give it a clean, to be fair, and hopefully it kind of gets rid of all that dirt and oil. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is just quickly hoover the seats gently and as best as we can do. Okay, so now that I've done that, there's no more dust in there now. I don't know if you can see, but that area is all clean. Okay, so to use this, what you need to do is just give it a spray evenly. Yeah. Just get a microfiber cloth. before and after of the rear now. Not looking good, if I'm honest, at all. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, but because obviously when I was cleaning the front seats, I couldn't really get to the back properly, so I'll have to complete the back as a separate process to ensure there's none of these, you know, stains as such. Okay, so like I said, the main purpose of this video was to show you whether the Autoglym Clean and Protect Leather Complete Kit is worth it. In my opinion, it is. My leather seats look so much more flush. They've got that matte satin finish that they kind of, you know, how they were essentially when they were brand new. There are obviously the creases are still there, but ever so slightly. I do feel like they've gone a little bit. The seats feel so smooth. I did the steering wheel as well, I even did this. And yeah, I'm really happy with the way they've turned out. As you can see from that angle, they look absolutely perfect. They just looked horrible before, really greasy. Now all of that's gone. But yeah, I'll carry on maintaining them really. Whilst I was cleaning the leather seats, I thought I'd actually clean the car as well. So managed to clean the plastics, the windows, the front windshield. I have cleaned the rear as well. Overall really happy with the way that's turned out, 100%. Now it's just a matter of maintaining them. The interior, obviously the carpets are absolutely perfect. I wish I had that thing where you could create those lines, but nonetheless it's clean. No more dirt there. I mean, the leather seats are looking really nice and plush. And look at that, I even managed to clean the boot, because the boot was the most disgusting part. There was dog hairs everywhere and they were really hard to lift because this Hoover isn't the best. I'm at Alicia's house right now, and yeah, the Hoover was a challenge, but you know, I've got it nice and clean. And do you know one thing I just wanted to quickly show you? So I'm not sure if you can remember, but there was a like a copper grease mark here. That's completely gone now. And there was even a stain here that's completely gone. I mean, the leather looks so plump, it's unbelievable. So I'm just so happy with the products. I might even use it on my Louis Vuitton bag if I ever need to be fair. But yeah, it's looking good so far. The car is fully clean. I even managed to clean the partial shelf, because there was a couple of copper grease stains on here as well, because I have been using copper grease a lot, you know, especially with the brakes and the alloy switch and everything. So listen, that's a job well done in my eyes, to be fair. I'm happy with it. One thing I just forgot to mention was, I just asked Alicia to smell what this smelled like, and do you know what? It smells like brand new leather. It smelled like this, like proper leathery smell. When you buy leather shoes, it's the same thing, yeah. But anyway, when I first got the car, because it was on such low mileage, I can remember this distinct leather brand new car smell, and now it's the same thing again. So I like that, the fact that, because I don't really like putting air fresheners in my S3, because I feel like it will take away that leather, really kind of pungent leather smell, which I really like. But now it's that leather smell has kind of been restored. So that's one thing to bear in mind if you want your car to smell like that brand new leather kind of smell. I think I've said leather so many times, but if you do want that smell, that's another sticking point. So that is it. I'm not gonna lie, it's taken me quite a long time, just because trying to get the right camera angles and everything, it's been super tiring. But luckily the weather's been on my side. The weather's absolutely banging today. But anyway, listen, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please do drop a like, drop a comment below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, keep supporting. And like I said, if you're new, welcome to my channel. Please do stick around, and if you've been rocking with me for a minute, I appreciate you. Please do follow me on my social media platforms, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon for future notification. Until next time, take it easy and look after yourselves.